Welcome back, babes. I am so excited to be back with technically my first tutorial of the year. Today I wanted to do maximum glam with very minimal effort. So basically, va-va-voom eyes and lips. Make it seem like your makeup is like so glam and over the top, but it literally is the easiest look ever, and it takes zero effort and zero time. Well, maybe not zero time, but very little time. And I love looks like this for winter, dark lips, rosy cheeks. So that is what we're going to be doing. I just kind of wanted to really quickly give you guys an idea of what you're going to be seeing this month of January on my channel. The theme for this month is it's a new year, a fresh start. We're just going to have a full recharge. I really wanted every video on my channel this month to reflect that a little bit. So today for this look, it's my first look of the year. It's a very simple look, but it's a look that really represents me and just kind of getting back to who I am. So that is my recharge. I'm also going to be doing a few of my favorite celebrity looks. So celebrity inspired makeup looks. You guys know I love doing those, but I'm picking celebrities that are also have kind of had like a fresh start in their life recently. I'll be doing a really good skincare video. The new year, we need to focus on skin, of course, which is one of my favorite things. I have a couple of great how-to videos, how-to for brows. So that is what you guys are going to be seeing on my channel this month. If you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and let's get into this tutorial. I'm using these two new color correctors that I got from Revlon. When it's like this time of the year, our skin can get very dull looking. So color correctors are a great way to add a little bit of life back to your skin. I'm using two. The first one is the Revlon PHOTOREADY color correcting pen in the purple color. So it's that kind of lilac highlighting color. And I'm using this in the way that you would kind of highlight your skin, because anytime you use lilac, it's going to give you brighter complexion. It's going to kind of brighten up your skin tone. And then I'm using the peach tone for underneath my eye area. If you have any darkness, this is also going to help with that. I'm just going to use my beauty blender to blend everything out. So I wanted to give you guys a little update. I've decided that I'm going to move apartments. I don't feel like living in this space is the right decision anymore. I feel like it's time to move on to something newer, something, you know, kind of like a fresh start, new beginning, my own place, somewhere I can just kind of decorate it and style it exactly how I want and just have a fresh start. So I'm been looking at new apartments, and hopefully once I find one, I'll be able to share an apartment tour with you guys, because I really want to do that. But look at that already. Do you see how instantly my face looks so much brighter? So I love doing this type of color correcting underneath my foundation, because once you put foundation on top, it'll just look super natural. For foundation today, I am using the brand new Natural Radiant Longwear foundation from NARS. This is the only foundation I've been using for the last month. I am currently wearing the color Sahel medium 2.5. I might end up being a little bit lighter in a few weeks because I'm definitely pretty pale right now. I get really pale in the winter. I just lose all my color. But the texture of this is just really light, has a really beautiful dewy radiant finish, but it's a great longwear foundation. The texture is really light. I'm going to quickly fill in my brows. This eye look is going to seriously be the easiest eye look ever. For the eyeshadows today, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Bronze and Highlight Kit. I just think the colors in it are perfect for this eye look, so why not? Starting with that bronzer color, which is really pretty. It's like a nice soft brown. This is the perfect crease color. It's funny, I remember when I moved into this apartment, when I first moved to Los Angeles, I think I shared it in a video. I'm pretty sure I shared it in a vlog. I will show you guys. So this setup is a little bit different than the setup you guys have been seeing me in. It's because I'm in a new apartment. That was 3 years ago, and I guess a lot has changed, so it's time to move on to different things. I'm using that same color, brushing that along my lower lash line. Okay, now I am taking the darker color from the palette. The good thing about these is that they are bronzers. They're not eyeshadows, so they're not super pigmented. You're getting the color payoff, but instead this is just going to create really pretty shadowing around your eye area rather than like dark color. So I'm just using this a little bit more in my crease rather than blending so far out, just focusing the color just in my crease. And mainly just in this outer corner, and then same thing for the lower lash line. For my actual lid, I'm going to use the lightest color from the palette on my lid. And then using some of that as well, just underneath my brows. I am trying out this eyeliner today. This is from IT Cosmetics. It is the Superhero Liner, and it has this really beautiful tip. If sometimes you have a hard time doing a cat eye, I have a full video on it. I'm gonna link it for you guys right here. It's a very detailed explanation of how to get like a perfect cat eye every single time. Ooh, this liner is really nice, you guys. Super pigmented. So the thing for this cat eye today is that I don't want it to be crazy. I feel like I need to stop talking so I can do it properly. So that's pretty much all I'm doing for the cat eye because I don't want it to be that much thicker. We're gonna add lashes, which is gonna make a big difference. For lashes, I'm using my new favorite lashes, the House of Lashes Iconic Lights. You guys might remember I did my collab with Roxette, which was so fun, by the way. And she mentioned these lashes and she said that she loved these lashes so much. So I knew I had to try them, and they're just super easy to put on. Adding a little bit of mascara, and this is my favorite mascara, and I never say that because I never like mascaras, but it's the Gigi Hadid Maybelline collab mascara, and I'm pretty positive it was a limited edition, of course, because it's my favorite one, so I'm not gonna be able to get it again, but it's such a good mascara. I'm using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just to clean up under my eye area. And doing a quick contour using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer, but in a darker color. For blush, I want like a really bright pink blush because I think that goes beautiful with the dark lip. This color from the BUXOM Cosmetics, this is the Instain Long Wearing Fall for the blush in the color Swiss Dot. I have a couple of quick polls that I want to do with you guys just to help me kind of figure out some content for this year. So I really want to get a good idea of what kind of videos you guys want to see on my channel. Do you want to see just makeup tutorials? Makeup tutorials only? That's the first option. Do you want to see makeup tutorials and skincare? Or do you want to see makeup tutorials, skincare, and life and work? So stuff kind of like what I've been talking about in the last few videos in December, and work stuff, more like behind the scenes vlog stuff. I have a couple of really big shoots, like the BUXOM shoot and stuff like that. Do you guys want to see more stuff like that? Makeup, skincare, life and work. And then the last option is, do you guys want to see self-care? So self-care to me is anything to do with just like, I guess you could say health and wellness. I've been reading a lot of books on like meditation and stuff like that. Is that something that you guys would be interested in seeing as well on my channel? So those are the options in the poll. You only have one option, so make sure you pick the one that you really feel represents the most of what you want to see on my channel. For the lips today, I am going for this dark rich shade from BUXOM Cosmetics. This is the brand new Baba Plump. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I announced a huge announcement, my collab with BUXOM Cosmetics for their Baba Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. Please check out the video right here. There's a really cool video, the promo video that BUXOM did, and it's so cool. And a lot of you guys have been sending me pictures of the displays at Sephora and at Ulta and Macy's and tagging me, and like, oh, it's pretty crazy crazy. I walked into Sephora the other day. I saw the display with my big face on it, and it was just the craziest thing ever. So this is the color we're going for, Make Me Melt. I still cannot believe that I'm in Sephora. I remember walking into CVS when I first moved to LA, because we didn't have CVS in Canada, with Alex, and looking at the displays, the makeup displays, and pointing at them and telling him I'm gonna be on one of these displays one day. And I remember he kind of was like, what? Why is that even a goal? I'm like, why not? You have to dream big. Like, I want my face to be on one of these displays. Why not? I couldn't even dream big enough because I never thought I would be on a display in Sephora, but these liquid lipsticks are so nice. The applicator on this is a really nice shape because you can really go in and just kind of perfect it without having to use a liner. Oh, I love this color. I've literally been wearing a different color every day just to test them all out. There are 20 shades in total, and this is definitely one of my favorites. Last step I'm gonna add is that highlighter we used earlier, or the contour highlight palette that we used earlier. And now I'm gonna go in with that highlight color and use that as an actual highlighter on my skin. The last poll question I wanna ask you guys is, what day do you prefer that I post? I usually post on the weekend for you guys, and one day during the week. But I was wondering, do you guys prefer that I post on Saturday or on Sunday? So let me know just right here in the poll. Do you prefer a Sunday post or a Saturday post, or it doesn't make a difference? Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. The goal for this year, you guys, 2018, to hit 1 million subscribers. I know we can do it as long as we do it together. So if you're new, make sure you hit subscribe, and also add me on Instagram at Eman, because I post a lot there too, so you're gonna get a lot of behind the scenes. Be sure to check out all the products that I use today in the description box. I'll have them there with links. That's it. I'm so happy to be back, and I'm so excited to have a great year with you guys, and I will see you all in my next video very soon. Bye.